Okay, so I'm gonna go through white page 64, and then your assignment will be 63, 65, and 66 if you did not get the homework. If you weren't here yesterday for a homework review, I need you to go back and do 62 and 63. And just make sure you have the right, sorry, not 62 and 63, 62 and 61. Please go back and make sure you have those answers. So again, I talked about this in the homework video the other day. If I have angle A is 33, BCD is 220, that means BD right here has to be 140. If that's 140, what that tells me is that I can find angle BC by taking 1/2, 140 minus x equals 33 times 2 times 2. I get 140x, and since we're finding CB, I'm gonna move this here. You get 140 minus x equals 66 minus 140 minus 140. I get negative x equals negative 74, so x is going to be 74. Now what that tells us, if x is 74, I talked a little about this in the video the other day. If you know BC and you have a tangent line, it has to be tangent. This arc right here, just like it's equal to this one by AST, it's also half the arc that's created between the 2 points, between the tangent line and the chord. So this is actually half 74, which is 37. And then by AST, angle D is also 37. CD after that is 360 minus 74 minus 140 is 146. And then I can find angle DBC by going through the process. This is inscribed, so this has to be 70. And then to find DBC, I would do 180 minus 37 minus 70 is equal to 73. DBA would again just be 73 plus 37, which is 110. CBA we know is 37. Arc BD we know is 140. And then DBE is this guy right here. You can just do 180 minus 73 minus 37. Which is actually 70, and that's not a coincidence because if you look up here, also by AST, notice I have this full arc here. So you have two options. You can either do 180 minus all of it, or if you notice that this is the arc created by the tangent line of the diameter, it has to be half of 140. And that matches up because the chord and the angle across from them is also 70. Great. So I'm going to post the answers to these at some point. We'll probably go through them whenever you return. If you have questions on this stuff, I will be back on Friday and I'll probably get a chance to have worked with both people in the quants by that point. So take a look at 62, 63, and then 63, 65, and 66 are your questions that you're going to do in class. Submit those on Google Classroom for me, and then the sub will also have the answers if you want to check.